How to change your Roblox avatar. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Roblox application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on Roblox. And as you're logged into your Roblox application, just wait and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device and you're connected to the connection over here. So here what you simply need to do in order to change your Roblox avatar is to simply select on the avatar option at the bottom of the screen. Here you can simply tap on the clothing options and you can just select whatever you would want your lookalike to be. So you can select whichever is more convenient. I'm going to select on the free item over here because I do not have the premium version. So I'm going to select on a random one, tap on accessories, and there are different options over here. You can select on the head, you can get anything that's more free, and if you have the Robux as well, you can simply buy from Robux and then go to your different sections over here. Go to heads, you can have whatever you would want and go to the animations as well. You can select whichever is more convenient for you and whichever suits you better. So after that, this is how you can change your Roblox avatar. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.